So, welcome you all. Good evening, friends. As we enter this income tax return filing season for this assessment year 2026-27, there is one date that every individual taxpayer must mark it firmly in the calendar is 31st July 2026. We commence our filing services from 22nd June. This year, filing your return is more important than ever because the government has fundamentally transformed how it tracks your financial life through the new Form 168 and the annual information statement. Let us now understand why, step by step, right, sir? We have only 15 to 20 minutes I'm going to give. You will get more clarity on our program, right? Now, why filing is important? Let us first answer this basic question. Why must an individual file their income tax return at all? There are 6 compelling reasons I have given. Number 1 is it is a legal obligation if your annual income exceeds 2.5 lakhs or 3 lakhs if you are a senior citizen. Filing is mandatory. Second, your ITR is the most credible proof of income. Banks, embassies, and lending institutions rely on this for loans, visas, and credit cards, right? Number 3, if excess TDS has been deducted from your salary or interest income, filing your return is the only way to claim that refund, right? And number 4, if you have incurred capital losses in shares or property, you can carry them forward for 8 years, but only if you file on time. Somebody is joining now. Okay. Number 5, ITR creates a clean and transparent record for your future dealings. And number 6 is with the new form number 168, automatically tracking all your financial transactions, non-filers with active financial profiles will attract notices and scrutiny. These are all the very, very important changes government has made. That is the reason I have made this point for explaining to the people. Yeah, the new form 168 and AIS, what changed? Let me clarify. This slide explains a very important change under the new Income Tax Act 2025. The old Form 26AS was essentially a TDS statement. It told you only about tax deducted, tax paid, and refunds. But starting from this year, it has been renamed and completely redesigned as Form number 168. The new Form 168, working alongside the annual information statement, that is AIS, is now a complete financial intelligence profile of you as a taxpayer. It captures everything: your salary, bank interest, dividend, mutual fund redemptions, share market transactions, property dealings, credit card spends, foreign remittances, and even GST turnover if you have a business. The income tax department system will automatically match every entry in your ITR against this data. Additionally, your Form 16 is now called Form 130 and Form 16A becomes Form 131. Before filing, always reconcile your Form 168, AIS, TIS, and Form number 130 to ensure that there are no mismatches. This is very, very important. Am I right? This is the new change and we need to adhere. And I'm going to talk about benefits of filing on or before the deadline. Filing by the due date is not merely about compliance. It delivers 5 direct financial benefits to you. Number 1, you completely avoid the late filing penalty under Section 234F, which can be 5,000 rupees if your income exceeds 5 lakhs, majority of the people will be having 5 lakhs and above. Otherwise, only 1,000 rupees. Number 2, you avoid interest under section 234A, which runs at 1% per month on any outstanding tax. This is the compounding and add significantly to your liability also. Number 3, early flyers, they will get refunds processed faster, putting money back into your hands sooner. And number 4, only taxpayers who file the returns on time are eligible to file a revised return later. If you discover an error, you can correct it. Later filers lose this option permanently. Number 5 is, with the new Form 168, auto-matching your financial data and filing early gives you time to calmly review your AIS, spot any discrepancies and address them before submitting your IT returns. Now, see, these are all the real benefits you will be having it. Yeah. Now I will give you what are the implications of late filing or non-filing. Let us now look at what happens if you miss 31st July deadline. The consequences are serious actually. You will face a penalty of 5,000 rupees or 1,000 rupees under section 234F. Interest at 1% per month under section 234A will be levied upon unpaid taxes. Any mismatch between your ITR and the comprehensive AIS data in Form 168 will trigger notices automatically, and the scrutiny from Income Tax Department will start. Not only that, capital losses you may have suffered will be forfeited. They cannot be carried forward. You cannot file a revised return if errors are found. And in case of deliberate non-filing, prosecution risk also exists. Now, I will talk about the right side of this slide. That is your personal action checklist. Number 1 is download and review your new Form 168 from the Income Tax portal. Number 2, check your AIS, TIS carefully and match every figure with your actual income. And number 3 is collect your Form 130, that is the new Form 16 from your employer. Step number 4, verify all the bank interest, dividends and mutual fund redemptions. And step number 5, if any mismatch is found, report and resolve it before filing. And step number 6 is file your ITR between 22nd June. That's why we are starting from 22nd June only, and before 31st of July. And the last step is preserve your ITR-V acknowledgement very safely. And we are here to help you at every step also. Yeah. And in fact, one very important thing I need to inform is about the foreign assets declaration. Yeah, very important. Yeah. See, friends, there is one more very important requirement that many individual taxpayers overlook. Last year also it happened. And the consequence of ignoring is really severe. We had many people who came subsequently and asked about foreign assets. I have not declared. I myself filed it. Kindly help. It was a very tedious process actually. If you hold any foreign asset, even a single bank account abroad, foreign stocks, a household property outside India, or any other interest in any foreign entity, you are compulsorily required to disclose it in a scheduled FA, that is foreign assets, of your income tax return. This is not optional. Under the Black Money, Undisclosed Foreign Income and Assets and Imposition of Tax Act 2015, non-disclosure of foreign assets attracts minimum penalty of 10 lakh rupees per asset, regardless of whether the asset generated an income or not. Okay, there are 4 main categories you must report under this foreign assets. Number 1, any foreign bank account the bank name, country, SWIFT code, account number, peak balance during the year, and the closing balance as on 31st March 2026 in INR. Number two is foreign stocks and equity holdings, the company name, ISIN number, date, cost of acquisition, the fair market value as on 31st of March. And if you sold any foreign stocks during 25-26, the capital gains, whether short term or long term, and the tax already paid on them. And number three, immovable property you are holding abroad, the full address, date of acquisition, cost, ownership details, any rental income received, and current market value. And number four, any other foreign interests, including foreign trusts, ESOPs, or RSUs granted by the foreign employer, insurance policies, or even signing authority of a foreign account. Okay, we at SR Exim and FinServ, we will provide each of you the specific ready to fill in foreign assets declaration format also, as well as our form, that is the main data sheet also. Please collect it from us well before we collect it. We start doing from 22nd of June, okay, and fill in the details carefully and submit your ITR in a proper way so that we will be in a position to assess it properly and do the things accurately. Yeah. So, in fact, I have done this much faster because I know this is very important subject. Point by point, I want to make it clear. Moreover, I'm recording this so that many others will be continuously asking this. Recording can be forwarded to our people so that they will get ready for a proper filing. They can take our services and we are with you, right? With this, I'll complete my presentation. I will now open up this for the audience. Yeah, thank you. Now I have Colonel I.B. Raghu sir. Namaskaram sir. So I could able to complete this in a fast, transparent way. So very important things. The normal filing and this year filing are totally different. They have made, they triggered a lot of things now. So we need to understand, we need to check up the detail. There will be not only Form 16, Form 16 itself is renamed. And not only that, they have to download one more form from IT site and then check with TIS, AS, everything is tallying. Then Form 16, this additional form also, now it has come. Okay, so any clarification you wanted, you can unmute, sir.
No. I don't have any. Firstly, thank you so much. Always you put in effort to educate your all of us, especially people who are associated with you. I don't have much of knowledge about taxes, but I always, take help from you. I just want to know one thing. Sometime back, though this is my personal issue, but as a Gallantry Award winner, I have some exemption on my pension, which I need some help in case if I can connect to someone and get these things moved.
Yes, Gallantry winner, if that particular GO, Gazette notification, if it is still valid, definitely you can make
Yeah.
use of it. But of late, in this particular year, one more facility what was given to the armed forces, army officers, retired army officers, that is withdrawn. What is that is? If the army officer who sustained any injuries and he exited before his actual service period, then he will not be eligible for getting the exemption of his pension amount.
Yeah.
However,
Correct.
if he served, in spite of his injury, he served throughout his term, then he has come out from the organization as a normal retired person, then his pension will be exempt. So this clarification this year they are given. Lot of pensioners and army officers who take our support, they came and asked this query. I have checked up and confirmed because you are also from the armed forces. So I thought I'll just clarify this. As regards Gallantry Award winners, as long as this GO or Gazette notification is valid, definitely you can continue this. Yeah, we will also recheck it. Right, sir?
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Mohan, you have any queries? You are welcome. Mr. Mohan?
Sir, nothing to ask, sir. I'll come and meet you after June 22nd, sir.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful. See, in fact, this is the simple recording I'm making it so that all the people should get benefit out of this, because the very, very important changes what has come in the income tax. So, I made this, and let me spread this message to all our existing as well as new clients, so that let them make their paperwork ready before coming to us. Yeah, we are getting ready, and we will give them the data sheet and others also, and let them prepare themselves before coming to us. Yeah, with this,
nice initiative, sir. Nice
yeah,
initiative.
with this, I will take leave and have a wonderful time. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Hare
you, sir.
Krishna.